Life's best. Wow, look at this place. Wow, that's cool.
Today, we're staying at Okana Resort and Waterpark in Oklahoma City. It just opened up in March of this year and has both an indoor and outdoor water park with a hotel attached. After checking in and getting our wristbands, we made our way to the hotel room.
This is a junior suite. We get a fridge. We have extra bedding. We've got, look at this, it's a steamer.
Steamer?
Yeah. Weird. I guess if your stuff gets extra wrinkly. Safe. Drawers.
The safe. Towels. The sink.
Exciting. Our bathroom.
Oh, I want to see. I put my bed on it. I put my blanket on it. Look at that fan down there. Ow.
Does it not go up any further? Ow, that hurt.
I want to see the pool.
Fancy out there.
The beach.
Yeah.
No, it's not.
Yeah, there's sand.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, this is high, but yeah, sorry. I don't think we're allowed. I think it's closed.
I don't know, there's no one there.
Kind of sucks because it's hot outside.
Mm-hmm.
No, why don't? Is it not hot enough?
Okay, indoor is supposed to be pretty cool.
I want to go on that.
Right, in that little, yeah, that area there. Oh, that's cool.
We weren't here for the room, though, so we headed straight for the water park. We're here September 3rd, and the outdoor water park just closed for the season on the 1st.
This is like a little mall through here. Look, there's the pub, and there's the coffee shop. There's the gift shop. Candy. Look at that place. Candy place. And then, oh yeah, there's an arcade up here. And tacos. There's our way to the fat. Yeah, there we go. Hey, where do we get some? There's towels right there. It's a big wave pool. Yeah. Neat. Here we go. This is fast. You like that one? There's 5 big water slides all together. The red one, the yellow. There's a big family one over there, and there's like a racing one. Plus, there's one with a big drop over there. It's kind of cold. There it goes. Oh, here comes the wave. This one's a hike. Hey. Hey, River, I got ya. Ow. My bum. Ah. River, you look concerned. I might need a new phone after this. You holding on tight, River? I can't see. Oh man. How was that, River? Was that better? Okay, we have a lazy river, or I guess an enchanted one. I'm gonna grab a tube. Oh, I'm gonna get stuck going, and I'm gonna get stuck going again. Ah. Didn't get very far. That one's the crazy one that gets you real wet. There's a bunch of slides in here in the kids area. Christy and I went down to that red one. Well, it's actually all of that. And it's crazy. I'm soaked and my hat's dripping. I can't see anything. I got drenched. How was it? This place opened up here in March, and it looks pretty neat, so we wanted to come, but it was like real expensive, especially for 5 people. And Christy found a deal, and so all 5 of us are here for $140 with the room and everything. I guess it makes sense because the outside's closed now, but it's still pretty neat, and thought we'd try it out. There's more places. That's like noodles, pizza, burgers, drinks. That 140 includes our room. It's called a suite. I guess it's got 2 queen beds and a couch bed. But we also get the Waterpark tickets, which normally you buy separately. And normally there's like resort fees and all that stuff, but that's just for the deal. So I guess there's deals on this place that you can find every once in a while. And there it is, 10 to 8. Christy, River, and David are going up, and they're gonna come down the red one.
Altogether, including the 5 water slides, there's a younger kid area. No adults are allowed in there, but it's perfect for river. There's a lazy river, a flow rider, which was the one ride that had a line the whole time we were there, a wave pool, and the tiny kid area.
We got a good few hours, but we get to come back tomorrow. We get to come back tomorrow and be here a lot. Yeah. We had a good few hours here. Now we're heading back to the room. Nice sunset, though. It's a very pretty place. Too bad we couldn't see the outside park. Well, we may have to come back when that's open next summer. Hey, they have the best one. Oh, look at all those cards.
Look at that.
Oh, man. I guess there's a few restaurants over here, too. That's like next to the place where we're staying. And then that's the place that we can't see. Look, they have palm trees. That's not real. And then there's the smokehouse bar place. Oh, hey. Valet. The parking lot's a long way from the place. Looks pretty cool. If only we could do it.
Yep. There's a beach down there.
Oh.
So neat.
And it's so hot.
Oh, look, it's all lit up.
It's the next day. And the cool part about staying here is you can water park all day the previous day. And we have, even though we checked out at 11, we can be here all day.
You have to climb
so we're gonna be here a long time. Probably. Whoa! The fat. Yeah.
Like, I couldn't see at all.
I always gotta go backwards.
You're a grown-up. And I can't hold on that
We ended up being here all day. It was a bit of a bummer that the outside was closed, but I don't think we could have lasted anywhere near as long as we did if we were at the outside park. Between the heat and the steps, there were a lot of stairs. I say this as a guy that plays video games for a living. There were a lot of stairs.
That's not fair. And one little kids area over here. Well, like a baby kids area. We haven't explored this one because we have no babies.
River was somehow non-stop. Christy and I had to take turns for breaks while she was going nuts up and down the slides for 9 hours. But she had a ton of fun. I think it was perfect for her age. She's 9 and just tall enough to be able to ride all the rides and still be in the kid area. All the slides were either 42 or 48 inch height minimums. We had some friends that were there with their 2-year-old, and they can only do the tiny kid area and the lazy river with her. There's no shortage of life vests, and judging by how many are around the park, I imagine this place gets pretty busy. We're here in the middle of the week and didn't have to ever wait in a line. Oh, and I'm glad I brought my water shoes. Clearly, we enjoyed the place and plan on coming back, as long as we can find a good discount. The normal rates are real expensive. The only food we ate the whole time was from the burger and pizza place. They were okay. Burger wasn't much different than a McDonald's burger, and it was super expensive. All the food places seemed pretty high for what you get. After that first lunch, we just left the resort and ate nearby for lunch and dinner. The hotel room was pretty ordinary. It was called a suite, but there was nothing special about it. I'd put it at a slight step below our usual Hyatts that we stay at, but a decent place. Beds were comfy. I read this place is like a nicer Great Wolf Lodge, but I've never been to a water park like this, and we all thought it was great. I think not being crowded is what helped that quite a bit. And that's it. Our 2-day stay at Okana is complete.
Woo! Why do I gotta go backwards?
Oh, here's another one.
Oh no!
Are you getting soaked?
Yeah, I'm getting soaked.
I can feel like the space of my foot, like the little cracks.
Yeah.
Oh.